It's one of the requirements of the medical oversight. Under the Regulated Health Professionals Act, we have a doctor who is going to oversee this program for Toronto Police, and as a requirement of that, they have to at minimum have basic first aid certification and then a 1-hour course that's an online training module regarding Naloxone itself. It's a small little plastic plunger with one dose, a measured dose of the drug. They will carry it wherever is most comfortable for them, on their body armor carrier or potentially in a pocket in their coat, and that's where they will carry it. So it's each officer will have that that we have mentioned, and that's how we plan to roll it out. The drug's got a 2-year shelf life. The shelf life is indicated on the drug, like many drugs. And so members will have that on their person. If it goes for an extended period of time outside of different temperature requirements, it's I believe -4 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. If the drug can have short periods of time outside of those temperature parameters, but over a longer period of time the drug deteriorates. This is something that the Toronto Police Service has been looking at for a long time. I'd go back to a meeting in 2015 where it was originally discussed. This has the potential to save lives. The opioid crisis is in fact that. It is a crisis. There are communities in Toronto that are experiencing this crisis in a very, very real way. Toronto Police has a role to play with all other emergency services providers in doing something about that, and we're proud to be doing something about that.